Hello guys! Let's take a sneak peek at Molly's wardrobe.
Yay!
Here's her nightstand, the bathroom, her dressing table, her bed, and Molly herself. She's sleeping. And now let's see the whole room. It's really big and beautiful. And now, good morning, Molly. Oh, no, I need more sleep. Come on, sweetie, it's time. No. Come on. Oof, alright, I'm getting up because I'm sure you won't let me sleep more. See, Teddy, it's really difficult to be an adult. You always have to wake up early. Good morning. And now let's get out of my cozy and warm bed. Slippers, here they are, fluffy and warm. 1, 2. Now let's make my bed. And finally, Molly's teddy bear. Alright, the bed is ready. Now I only need to take off my sleeping mask and put it on the pillow.
Hooray!
Remember to make your bed every morning after you get up. Let's go to my bathroom. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round. Oh, I'm ready! And now it's time to wash my face and brush my teeth. Soap, sink, aha! Here they are, my toothbrush and the toothpaste. Washing my face with cold water is always so refreshing. And now, look to my back. That's right, it's time for a shower. And while Molly is taking a shower, let's put her nightgown in the laundry basket and replace her slippers with these comfy red flip-flops. Now let's open this box and take out from inside this mint-flavored soap and help Molly wash her body. Hey guys, I need a towel. Here you are. Thanks. Oh guys, I love morning showers so much. And now it's time for my feet routine. Here it is, my miracle cream. I love my feet to be clean and soft. Let's open it. Take a little. That's enough. And spread it nicely on my feet. Alright, and now the second foot. Perfect. Flip-flops on. And here is the most important thing, my deodorant. Right? Left. That's it. I'm ready here. Let's go back to my bedroom. Here I am again. Now let's see what I'm gonna wear today. No. Oh, that's it. I found the perfect outfit. This gorgeous white dress with yellow cardigan. I'm gonna leave it on the bed. And now it's time for the shoes. In this pink box are my brand new shoes. Let's see them. Yeah, I know. They are amazing. And believe me, they are very comfy too. And finally, I need socks. They stay up here. I want this short blue one. Here they are. I'm ready with choosing my outfit for today. Now let's put it on. I only need to take care for my hair and makeup now. My hair is brushed. And now let's use this little hair clip to make this gorgeous hairstyle. Let's apply face powder and a little of my pink lip gloss. I'm ready. Here's my beautiful bag, my sunglasses, and voila! I'm ready to go to work now. Bye, friends! And voila! Oh, shh! Our beautiful doll Nancy is still sleeping. This is her beautiful room. And here she is. Huh? What's that noise? Oh, this is her sweet doll Sparky. Good morning, Sparky. Oh, he wants to wake her up. No. Sparky. Alright. Hey, good morning, boy. Why do you always get up so early? Yeah, I love you too. Oh, I had such a nice dream. Huh? I'm thirsty. Would you please give me a glass of water? Oh yeah, sure. Here you are. Oh, thank you so much. And now it's time to get out of bed. I always start my day by making my bed. So come on. And voila! Alright, so now I can go and take a bath or make myself a cup of coffee. Alright, first I'm gonna take a bath and after that I will drink my coffee. Antibacterial soap, my electric toothbrush and the toothpaste. Pink, green, orange, blue. This is Nancy's beautiful bathroom. Oh, and here she is. Let's start by filling my bath tube with water. Here stay my towels. These are my body products. And up here my hair cosmetics. I need these. I think that's enough. It's time for bubbles. Now let's see. Oh, the water is perfect. Now I only need to put on my swimming suit. Here it is. And now guys, let's jump in the water. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. Now let's put my dirty clothes in the laundry basket. take my slippers and prepare my cool pink flip-flops to use when I'm ready with my bath. Now let's protect my hair from getting wet. And turn on my wireless headphones. Oh, this song is so cool! Na 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 na. And now guys, it's time to brush my teeth. Perfect! And now let's clean my skin. I need soap. This one is my favorite. And my special pink brush. A little soap on the brush. And time for action. Hands first. And then legs. And voila! Now it's time to wash the soap. And I'm ready to get out. And now my dear friends, it's time for my morning cup of coffee. Come on! And here I am again with my coffee. Oh, I feel so much better now and ready for the day. Have a good one, guys. Hello, guys. Do you know what? It's time for a bath. First, we need to fill the bath tube with water. Alright. And now it's time to make some bubbles. Oh, they are perfect. And of course, here I am. Hello, boys and girls. I'm so happy to see you. Come on, join me for a bath. Oh, the water is perfect. I can't wait to jump in. But first, I need to take off my shoes. Oh guys, the water is the perfect temperature. And look at all these bubbles. I can play with them all day long. Hey you, I need some help. Can you play some music for me? Over there. This one? Alright. This is a record player. And this is a record. Let's play it. Oh, I love this song. Remember to wash your hands. Remember to wash your hands. And now, it's time for the soap.
To wash your hands.
Here it is.
Remember to wash with soap.
Let's take the shower puff.
Remember to wash with soap.
Alright,
Wash your hands
action.
blowing your nose. Remember to wash with soap. And count to 20 at least.
And now the leg.
Count to 20 at least. Cover your cough and then wash your hands. And always count to 20 at least. Oh, oh, bring it on.
Perfect.
Sing along.
And now let's take this shampoo. We're gonna use a little of it to wash my hair. Now let's run the water and wash the shampoo away. I feel so fresh. And now it's time to relax. Oh. Come on, Sophie. It's time. Oh, yeah, you're right. The water is getting colder. But before I get out, I need to take my toothpaste and my electric toothbrush. Because it's time to brush my teeth. Okay, and now a little water. And now it's time to get out of the bathtub. Come on. And guys, I'm ready. We're taking bath before bed. Now let's go to my bedroom. And I'm back. Welcome to my pink bedroom. And now it's time to put my pajamas on. This is the top with a lot of pink ducks and yellow, blue and white balloons. And these are the bottoms with exactly the same pattern. My pajamas are on and I'm ready to jump in bed. Hooray! Come on! But before I put my head on the pillow, I need to dry my hair. It's still wet. Alright, done. I only need to take off my flip-flops. Alright. Oh, I'm so tired. It's time to go to sleep. So guys, I want to tell you good night. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. We have 1, 2 sleeping girls. It's already morning. Hey, Pearl! It's time to get up. Good morning. Good morning, Bonnie. I had an amazing night in your room. Oh! Oh yeah, we had the most glamorous and cool sleepover party. Did you have fun, Pearl? Oh yeah, of course. It was amazing. But I'm really hungry now. Oh, me too. Come over here and sit next to me because it's time for breakfast. Oh, breakfast. All right, I'm coming. Yay! 3, 2, 1. Here I come. Now where is the breakfast? Don't worry, it's on its way. Look over there. Huh? Oh my. Hooray! And voila, the breakfast is here. Now let's put the special bed table. Alright, now let's see what do we have for breakfast. Start with these little plates because in them stay these beautiful cups. Now it's time for the big plates and these beautiful napkins with cutlery inside. Time for the tea. Favorite mint tea. Let's do it with this little spoon. Alright, and now let's go on. We have sandwiches with turkey, hot dogs, and tortillas. Oh wow! Hey, I want one sandwich. Oh, everything looks delicious. But I'll take one of these big hot dogs. One hot dog for Pearl. And one of these delicious sandwiches for Bonnie. We're done here. Let's see what's next. Here we have meatballs, fried eggs, and bacon. Oh, meatballs for me! Mmm, yummy, yummy! I want fried eggs and bacon. Alright, here's one fried egg and 3 slices of bacon for Pearl, and all these 4 meatballs for Bonnie. Here we have a vase with fresh flowers for a good mood. And now it's time to choose the dessert. You can choose between all these fruits. Oh, I want apples. Apples to be. And I want the fruit mix. Oh, great choice. Here it is. Kids, don't forget to eat fruit every day. And here it is, the perfect breakfast in bed for 2. I think we should first try the tea. Oh yeah, I agree. Perfect, and now let's try the food. Of course, the first thing we need is a knife and a fork. Let's cut, and now try. Mmm, delicious. Yeah, the breakfast is perfect. I think it won't be anything left. Time for the dessert! And now let's take away this bed table and the breakfast cart. Bye-bye cart! And thank you for the delicious breakfast! Goodbye to you too, kids! Let's start a new day! Hello friends! Welcome to my room! Because I was reading my favorite magazine. Alright, now I'm gonna stop reading and take off my glasses. Okay, today it's Sunday. That means it's time for my beauty routine. Do you want to join me? Alright, let's go! Alright, I'm ready to start with my beauty routine. Come on, let's go and sit on the armchair. Oh, so comfy. And now, let's start with my feet. Oh wow, this foot bath is amazing! Oh, and now it's time for my face mask. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And now let's spread it all over my face. Ready for Halloween. Some fresh cucumbers on my eyes. And now it's time for some music. Here's the music player. Let's find the song I want. Aha! Here it is. And finally, let's press the power button. Ooh, I really love this song. Na 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 na. This is what I call complete relaxation. Hey, Jessie! It's time! Let's turn off the foot bath. Let's take it away. Dry your feet with a clean towel. And now let's put them on these little purple stool. Because it's time to make your pedicure. And I'm gonna start with this little foot brush. Now it's time for the foot scrubber. Let's remove the dead skin with this brush. And now it's time to cut your nails with the nail clipper. Now it's time for the nail file. Alright, let's cut your cuticles with the scissors. Now let's moisturize your feet with this foot balm. And finally, it's time for some nail polish. And that's how my pedicure is done. Now let's take care for my manicure. We're gonna start again with the hand bath. And meanwhile, let's take off my face mask. Perfect! My face is so clean now. Let's return to my hands. And while we are taking care for this one, let's give a bath to the other. Let's cut my nails. File them. And apply the same nail polish. Purple and blue. And that's it! I only need to wait for my nail polish to dry and relax. Bye guys!